Hey, I'm Katie Senich, and this is your Classworks Minute for today. The filters to the left of the progress monitoring page makes it easy to check the progress monitoring status in Classworks. The filters, which automatically populate when selected, are grade. This is the actual grade level of the student, not the intervention level. Class, custom group, which the user creates, last name, first name, subject, so either language arts or mathematics, universal screener. View suggested tier levels based on the Classworks Universal Screener or your district assessment. Suggested tier, populate a list of students based on their suggested tier levels. PM status, find students who have active or inactive progress monitoring sessions. PM type, view all students who are being monitored by a specific type of progress monitoring. PM level, levels range between K through 8. Current rate of improvement, view students by their performance on their goals. And completed this week, to see students who have or haven't completed their PM probes for the week. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tools you'll need to make Classworks work in your classroom. Also, be sure to comment below any tips you'd like to see from Classworks in the future.